welcome back to my channel. So I didn't post anything last week because I've been so busy. Today's video is going to be fun because I'm trying out all the dUCk cosmetics that I got. It's a little bit of a tutorial. This is how I use my dUCk cosmetics products, so I hope you guys will enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and without further ado, let's get this video started. So I have already done my base. I've done it off camera because I didn't get the primer from dUCk Cosmetics, so there's no point of showing you how I do my base because it's just a normal base like everyone did. I'm gonna set my face with the girl powder. This is the first product that I'm going to show you today. It's a translucent loose powder. It is so good. I've been using it a lot ever since I bought it last year, and I've been using it since then. I love it. I don't have bad comments about it because it's good. It's good. It's just that I don't really fancy this powder puff. I don't use it at all. Well, maybe a little bit. I'll show you later how I use it. But other than that, it's good. It has a mirror. So I'm going to do a very simple look. I don't need all the baking, so I'm just gonna set my face with this powder using my sponge. I'm just gonna set my under eyes because that is where I crease the most. This powder instantly brighten up your whole face. Like seriously, it is so good. It is so nice. As you can see, I have pimples because I've been stressing out these past few days. I focus on my laughing lines because I crease a lot there too. I'm just gonna set the areas that I have concealed, the highlighted area. So I'm taking what's left on this powder puff and I just puff it all over my face. Just going to brush everything off. Okay. Now I'm gonna do my brows off camera and I will be right back. So I have done my brows. We are going to do my contour, blush, and highlight using the Glow Girl. Mine is in the Golden Glow. This palette comes with one highlighter, one bronzer, and two blusher. One of the blusher is shimmer and the other one is matte. This one is the matte, this one is the shimmer. It's very subtle, okay? It's macam tak nampak sangat lah. I'm just going to show you how I usually do my contour. I don't really contour because I already have that high cheekbones, but I need to look alive, so I need to give more colors to my face. So I'm taking this iced tea. It's the bronzer, and I'm just gonna contour my face. I know like people would do that, but not for me because I already have this high cheekbones, so I don't need to to find the bones. It's already there, so I just need to enhance it using the bronzer. As you can see, it's already there, so I don't need to do much to my face. By the way, I just want to tell you, if you want to have that glow, I haven't put any highlighter on my face right now, even the blush, and I've set it with the matte loose setting powder, but I still have that glow. So if you want to have that glow, you can always put one drop of argan oil. Any argan oil will do, but this is a local brand from KK. Basically, it's just one drop to your foundation. Just mix it well and you will have that, see, like you will have that glow. And when you do your contour, remember not to drag it down because you do not want to have that muka yang lonjong. You want to have you not face you naik atas, if you know what I mean, right? This part I tak rasa penting sebab sebenarnya pakai tudung. So I usually tak letak my inner cap this high. I usually letak di bawah lagi, but since today I'm doing makeup with my hijab on, so I letak belakang sikit. So I don't really think this is necessary, but I'm just going to show you what I've learned during my makeup classes. So you kena letak your bronzer dekat your hairline. Dia nak bagi you dimension, so tak adalah you macam muka you tu flat. Okay, kalau contour ni bagi you dimension. So for the blush, I'm going to mix both the Tropical Punch and Pink Lemonade, both matte and shimmer, because it's going to give me that glow that I want, because I want to be glowy. Always remember to blend your blush with your shading, with your bronzing with your bronzer, because if not, you akan nampak macam ada dua line, like satu line blush, satu line contour. So you want to blend all together. Okay. By the way, I'm not going to contour my nose because I don't really contour my nose. Moving on to the highlighter, so I'm taking this Pina Colada. It's very subtle, okay? Dia punya highlight ni tak blinding. So macam kalau you nak yang blinding, this is not for you. But I think you can build it up. I pakai this palette for my everyday use. Kita nak keluar everyday, kita tak nak nampak like macam banyaknya makeup kau pakai macam tu. A little bit on my forehead, a little bit on my chin, and a little bit on my nose and brow bone. Moving on, so I'm not going to do anything dramatic. I'm just going to do a natural glowy look. So I'm taking this nude palette. I'm just going to use one color and one color only. So I'm using my concealer as a base. How do we rewrite the stars? To set the eyelid, I pakai Cinnamon Sugar in this palette. You think it's easy, you think I don't wanna run to you. And then I'm taking the pumpkin spice and put it all over my eyelid. So I nak bagi dia intense sikit, so I'm gonna dab it with my finger. Oh, the color is so nice, like macam tu natural look. It is very pretty. So as we all know, dUCk Cosmetics dia ada 3 range of lipsticks. Dia ada the bullet lipsticks, which is lipstick with you. Dia ada lip gloss, which is Glossip Girl, and dia ada lip matte lip cream, which is the matte decision. So matte decision dia ada 2 jenis. Dia ada yang matte cream biasa ataupun dia ada yang metallic, because I want to have that glowy thingy. So I'm going to use the Glossip Girl. I'm using the basic Blair, but I'm not gonna use it on its own. I'm gonna wear this Maybelline Almond Pink powder mattes because I love this color and it's so pretty. So I'm gonna put the gloss. I'm just gonna blend it with my finger. See, it's so pretty. So that's it, guys. That's how I usually use my dUCk Cosmetics. I really love the girl powder. Before this, I memang always pakai my HD translucent powder from Makeup Forever. I memang, that's my holy grail. Memang I suka sangat the translucent powder. But ever since I pakai ni, I memang pakai ni je. Like every day I pakai ni. So it's really nice. And then the face palette dia memang okay. It's not my favorite, to be honest. I still suka my Tarte punya bronzer Tarte punya blush. This is not a bad product. It's very subtle. Memang sangat sesuai untuk everyday look. Oh, I just realized I tak ada pakai mascara, but I'm gonna skip it. Okay. As for the All I Ask nude palette, also not my favorite. Sebab dia semua shimmer tau. Dia cuma ada one matte shadow. So dia tak boleh nak ada transition punya colour tu, tak ada. But it's still a good palette. I still use it every day untuk macam kalau nak cepat, especially macam sekarang I need to go out, I don't need to do that yang kena ada semua jenis colour. So I rasa this is a good palette for that. And as for the lipstick, I love them all. I have the Glossy Girl, I have the Matte Decisions, I have the Lipstick With You. Everything is good. I love them all, but I cannot wear them all at once. So yeah, it's a good product. So I think that's it. That's my review of the dUCk Cosmetics products. By the way, I akan always keep my things, my dUCk products in this pouch. Kalau I travel pun I bawa dalam tu. So it's very convenient. dUCk Cosmetics dia tak akan berhenti keluarkan produk baru, and I'm looking forward for that. So yeah. And as for now, as for March 2018, this is what I've got so far because I tak perlu beli semua. I still waras lagi. I tak adalah macam keluar je nak beli. You guys boleh try yourself produk-produk ni and comment apa yang your favorite product from dUCk Cosmetics. And be sure to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like this video, and I will see you guys again very soon. Bye!